Welcome to another awesome video. It's Coin Recap. So I'm here with another platform where you can mine BNB for absolutely free. You understand? You can mine your BNB and then you can also play games to increase the BNB you've mined. You understand? So let's read the description here. Free BNB every hour, earn money through faucets, surveys, and exciting games. Well, in this platform, every hour you get to claim faucets every single hour. You understand? Each faucet will give you BNB every hour. So every hour you come on the platform, you click on spin, and that's basically it. And then you can also complete surveys depending on your area or your geographical area, sorry. And then you can also play exciting games with the BNB you've mined. You understand? So with that said and done, let me teach you guys how to go about this. Very easy steps. You understand? So when you've clicked on the link, I believe in the description box to sign up, you'll be brought to this page. Well, mind you, you can do this with your phone, your tablet, your laptop, whatever you want to use. So you'll be brought to this page. All you have to do is fill in your email address here, and I'll just put, since I already have an account, I'll just put random thing. So that will take me to the main sign up page. Well, this is the main sign up page. Well, as you can see, all you have to do is impute your username, impute your email, and impute your password, and also repeat the password. The referral is already filled in when you use my link. So sometimes this Cloudflare, it takes long to load. Sometimes it takes long to load. So if it takes long for you, all you have to do is select another one. Instead of the Cloudflare, you choose the HCAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA, anyone of your choice. You understand? So you click on verify your human, and that's basically it. You click on sign up and it will take you to the login page. So here is the login page. Basically, as you can see here, earn free BNB every hour. You understand? So to receive rewards from hourly faucet, please fill in the captcha and claim. That's basically it. I'm just showing you guys how to go about this. Do you understand? So when you scroll down, you see here is the levels to this platform. So if you want to mine faster, you want to claim more BNB, you can always deposit to increase your BNB every hour. Do you understand? But this is not necessary. You can always withdraw whenever you want, so it's not necessary to deposit. Do you understand? So as you can see, I'm on the stone level. You can pick the captcha you want to use, click on it, and then as you can see, I already claimed my hourly faucet, and you can come back after an hour to claim more. Do you understand? So when you have just signed up, you are going to be getting a notification, I think in the settings, to verify your email. Do you understand? So just follow that process. Let's go to the settings. Yeah, you'll see it somewhere here. To verify your email. So all you have to do is click on verify and then go to your email address. You'll see an email sent from them. Follow the link, and that's basically all you need to do to verify your email address. So once you verify this email address, you'll be getting 10 free bonus faucets. Do you understand? So you'll be seeing it over here. You'll be getting 10 free bonus faucets for just verifying your email address. So when you get it, all you have to do is come down here, click on spin, and you click again. As you can see over here. So that's basically how to claim your faucets every hour. You understand? So I'm going to show you guys how to play games to increase this BNB you've mined. Do you understand? So this is my balance here. So we'll go to the games. So as you can see the dice here: slots, gems, mines, video poker, baccarat, and so on. Do you understand? So you can pick from whichever one you feel like you can play and get your BNB up. Do you understand? So basically, let's try the dice. So I'll teach you guys how to go about these dice. So as you can see over here is the amount you want to play your game with. Do you understand? So, and over here is the profit you are going to make when you win the round. Do you understand? So as you can see here, this is the slider. You slide where it's going to land. It goes from 0 to 100. Do you understand? So there'll be a number, and then you want to be where the number is at. Do you understand? So if you should keep it over here, which is around, say, 40. So if you should land on, so I had to play one so that you guys will see, so that explaining it to be easier. So as you can see here, when you hit one of the die, this now is going to land somewhere, and you want this slider to be behind it. You don't want it in front. If it should land in front of it, then you've lost the round. Do you understand? You want it to be behind it. Do you understand? So basically, to play safe, you can always keep it here, or you can keep, depending on how lucky you feel, you can always keep it here, and then increase your amount. Increase your amount to whatever you want, and then as you can see, this is the profit I'm going to get when I win the round. Do you understand? So click on roll die. As you can see, you see where it landed. So if I was here, I would have won the round. If I was here, I would have won the round. But if I was here, I would have lost the round. So you want to be behind it and not in front of it. Do you understand? That's basically all you need to know about playing the dice. Do you understand? So we'll go about another game. So let's try the gems. So over here, this is the easy round. There's the easy round. There's one empty slot, and then there are 2 gems. Do you understand? So you don't want to pick the empty slot. Do you understand? So in the medium, there's 1 empty slot, and then there's 1 gem. Do you understand? And then in the hard, there are 2 empty slots, and then there's 1 gem. Do you understand? So you want to play the easy round, so you don't lose. But if you're feeling lucky, you can go for the hard, and then the hard you earn more. Do you understand? So let's just play the easy. So you click on start, and I'll go for this. So as you can see, the diamond is in this. I'll go for this. So as you can see, this is, you should just know when to stop and then when to keep going. You know how to go about this, but you don't want to click on the empty slots. That's basically all I'm trying to teach you guys. So let's play until you get to the empty slot, so you see what I'm talking about. So the higher you go, the more profit you are going to get. Do you understand? So well, I think I'm just lucky, but I'll sit this one out. Let's just get the money out, and then we can try again until it loses, so you see how it goes. So okay, from the results now, as you can see, this is empty, 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 and this is empty, this is empty, this is empty. If I had kept on going up, I would have kept on winning until the last store. So that's basically all you need to know about this game. So you can learn the rest on your own and then know which one is best suitable for you. Do you understand? So if you also want to make more money from this platform, or this platform is generous with the affiliate programs, so refer your family and friends, so you'll be earning as they are earning. So you'll be getting percentage from whatever they are getting. So since it's a free platform, when your friend signs up, you'll still be getting from their free money, your free BNB. I don't know if you're understanding me. So your friend comes up, he's mining, and you'll be getting percentages from his mining. Do you understand? So this is basically all you need to know about this platform. Okay, let me show you guys the affiliate section. So as you can see, they'll be getting 50% of your your faucet. If they are claiming your faucet, you'll be getting 50% of the faucet they claim. Do you understand? So you really want to refer your family and friends so you can earn more from this platform. So do with this whatever you feel like. Make your research if you want to deposit, and then for my free users, hop on this and make money for yourself. Until my next video, peace out.